this little corner in my room to put my little Christmas tree. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do a voiceover throughout the whole video because I didn't record myself talking while I was doing it. So I'm just spreading out the little leaves in the Christmas tree, and yeah. So for my first hack or tutorial thingamajigger, I'm using these Santa snow things that I got from Walmart. They're like 99 cents or something, that are real cheap. And I'm just spraying it over my Christmas tree to give it that flop look, because that was really trendy this year and I didn't want to go to the store and waste my money on like a brand new Christmas tree. So this is a really cool idea, but it is really messy, so you're gonna have to like clean up afterwards. So definitely do this before you put on any Christmas ornaments on your Christmas tree or anything, because it's kind of messy, but it ends up looking really cute like this, and I recommend it. So yeah, I'm just plugging in my little Christmas lights so I can show them to y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna wrap them around my Christmas tree, and yeah, I guess, I don't know. What else do you want me to say? So these are the little Christmas ornaments that I'm putting on my Christmas tree. This year I chose like a red and like blue or turquoise and white and silver and gold theme. So yeah, this is how my little Christmas tree ended up turning out. I think it's really cute and I like it and I love it. This next DIY, I did one of those little trendy Christmas red trucks with a little Christmas tree on the back. So I just grabbed this little blue ceramic truck that I got from Target. It was from the dollar section, and I got it for like 10 cents when it was like 90% off or something like that. I don't know. So I just painted it red. It's super cheap, like 15 cents acrylic paint, and I added the little Christmas tree. It was like 84 cents from Walmart, and I just put it on the back. It's super cute and super easy DIY that looks super cute. So if you have a little red toy truck or anything like that, just put a little Christmas tree and make it a Christmas tree decoration, or not Christmas tree, just a Christmas decor, and voila! For this DIY part 3, I'm doing this. I usually do this to my room every day. So if you have little picture frames or canvases around your room, this is a really cute DIY that I recommend to y'all because it makes your room look very holiday-ish or whatever. So I just like to cover my picture frames or canvases with wrapping paper like I'm doing right here. And I chose this red and blue wrapping paper to match my Christmas decorations that I put on my Christmas tree this year. So you could do that and just tape it, wrap it like if it was a present. And I'm putting like a little bow and string on them, so that way it can look really cute and look like an actual present. And yeah, I'm doing this to only 2 of my canvases this year because I don't want my room to look super crowded. But I chose both of my wrapping papers were like the same colors, and yeah, I'm just putting, I made the little bows. I don't know why, I was too lazy to go look for like Christmas bows in my like garage, so I just DIY'd some bows, whatever. So I'm just placing them back in the same place where I had them, and I think they look super cute. Look at my little Snoopy Christmas tree, it's so cute. But yeah, I recommend this. I think it looks super cute, and yeah. So for my last little DIY or hack or decoration for this video is I grab a little Hannah hats that are super cute. I get some tape, put it on the corner of my TV, and put the little Santa hat, or I put the Santa hat on the corner of my TV, and I think it's a really cute decoration that I do every single year. And I kind of like to decorate my little TV stand as if it was a little chimney, to have some twinkle lights, some Christmas ornaments, some little Christmas stockings, and put the little chimney, and it looks cute. And we are done. This video is over. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that I'm uploading this in 2019 because I procrastinated and forgot to edit it before Christmas, but thanks for watching. Have a beautiful, wonderful rest of the day, and love y'all. Bye.